This is how you're going to import Figma files into Adobe InDesign. First, you're going to open your project in Figma, and then you're going to export the design. So you're going to do that by going here at the right side panel, and then you're going to have to scroll down until you see this export section. Now you're going to select the type of file that you want to save this as. So you can save it as PNG, JPEG, SVG, or PDF. So for this one, I'm going to save it as SVG, and then I'm going to click on Export Untitled, and then I'm going to make sure that everything that I want to export are included. So I'm just going to export this first one. So I'm going to uncheck all of these, and then I'm going to click on Export at this right side of the screen, and then I'm going to wait until all of the images have been downloaded. Now, once the image has been downloaded, you're going to go to your files, and then we're going to head over to downloads, and then you're going to see your SVG file right here. So now what you're going to do is you're going to open Adobe InDesign, and then you're going to go to File at the top left of the screen, and then you're going to click on Place. Now you're going to have to choose the exported Figma file, and then click on Open, and then you're going to position it on your InDesign page. Now for best results, you can use PDF or SVG to keep your design scalable and high quality. And that's it. That is how you're going to import Figma files into InDesign. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more.